In this video, you'll learn how to create a basic assignment tracker using Notion. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully functional tracker to help manage your assignments efficiently. Start by navigating to Notion's website. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, as this will facilitate a smooth experience while creating your tracker. Once you reach the site, look for the option to add a new page. After accessing Notion, locate and click on the Add New button, which should be prominently displayed on your dashboard. This action will open a new page where you can begin setting up your tracker. Wait briefly for the page to load completely. Next, type in Assignment Tracker in the title area of the new page. This title will help you easily identify your tracker later. After typing the title, you should see it appear prominently at the top of the page. Proceed by clicking on the option that says Build Assignment Tracker with AI. This feature uses AI to help design your tracker based on the title you provided. Allow a moment for the AI to generate the necessary components for your tracker. Once the AI has finished building your tracker, click on the Continue button that appears. This step confirms that you want to proceed with the AI-generated tracker. A loading indicator may appear, indicating that the system is processing your request. After confirming, you will see a Done button. Click on this button to finalize the creation of your assignment tracker. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your tracker has been successfully created. Now, click on By Status to organize your assignments based on their current status. This feature allows you to categorize assignments as pending, completed, or in progress. Observe how the layout updates to reflect this new organization. Next, click on Calendar to view your assignments in a calendar format. This visual representation helps you manage deadlines effectively. Ensure that you have any relevant deadlines noted to make the most of this feature. Then click on All Assignments to see a comprehensive list of all your assignments. This section provides an overview of everything you have to complete. You may need to scroll to find specific assignments depending on how many you have. Afterward, click on Scroll to see all to ensure that you can view all your assignments without missing any. This action is crucial for keeping track of your workload. Navigate to the Templates section by clicking on it. This area contains various pre-made templates that can enhance the functionality of your tracker. A stable internet connection is recommended here to load the templates quickly. Click on the Templates button once you're in the Templates section. This will allow you to explore different options available for your assignment tracker. Type in Highlight in the search bar to find specific templates that can be beneficial for tracking assignments. This search feature helps narrow down your options to the most relevant templates. Next, click on the highlighted template that appears in the search results. This template can provide additional functionality to your assignment tracker, making it more robust. After selecting the template, click on the Add button to include it in your assignment tracker. This step integrates the selected template into your existing setup. You will then need to click on Highlight again to ensure the template is correctly applied. This action confirms your choice and activates the new features from the template. Afterward, click on See Template to review how the template integrates with your tracker. This preview allows you to assess if it meets your needs. Next, click on Share to set up sharing options for your assignment tracker. This feature enables collaboration if you wish to share your tracker with classmates or team members. Afterward, click on Highlight to select the sharing settings that best suit your needs. This may include options for editing or viewing permissions. Then, click on Invite to send access to specific users. You will need their email addresses to complete this step, ensuring they receive an invitation to collaborate. Click Invite once more to finalize the invitation process. This will send the invite to the selected users, allowing them to access your tracker. Next, click on Highlight to confirm any additional sharing settings you may want to adjust. This step ensures that all sharing preferences are set correctly. Afterward, click on Full Access to grant comprehensive permissions to users you invite. This option gives them the ability to edit and manage the tracker. Click Full Access again if prompted, ensuring that the permissions are correctly applied to all invited users. Finally, click on Copy Link to generate a shareable link for your assignment tracker. This link can be distributed to anyone you want to collaborate with or simply keep for your own reference. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.